Let's make rose spaghetti. Turn on the cassarese first. Put some salt in the water. For one person, this much spaghetti is right amount. Slice one onion.
Onion made me cry so bad.
I used sausage, but you can use any meat you want. Turn on the cassarese again. Put some olive oil. Onion. My sausage. When the onion becomes light put half cup of tomato sauce. And then put half cup of milk.
Spaghetti noodle in.
One slice of cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese will make the sauce thicker and creamier. Choice of mozzarella cheese. Roll the noodle with the chopstick is a tip for my plating. It always did not go that well, but it's fine if it tastes good. This is the final result.